Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you a quick 2-minute review of this popular wallet. Stick around to find out if it's right fit for you. Solflare. Solflare is one of the top wallets built for the Solana blockchain. It's available as a browser extension, a mobile app, and even a web wallet, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. Setting up Solflare is super simple. You can create a new wallet in minutes or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. And don't worry, security is a big deal here. Solflare supports hardware wallets like Ledger, giving you that extra peace of mind. Now, let's talk features. One standout is staking. With Solflare, you can easily stake your Sol tokens directly from the wallet. They even provide a list of validators to choose from, so you can maximize your reward while supporting the network. Are you an NFT enthusiast? Solflare has you covered. The wallet lets you manage your Solana NFTs with a clean and user-friendly interface. No more scrolling through messy collections. Another great feature is the built-in swap functionality. You can quickly exchange tokens without leaving the wallet, making it super convenient for traders. So, is Solflare the right wallet for you? If you are deep into the Solana ecosystem and need a wallet that combines ease of use, powerful features, and strong secure, Solflare is a fantastic choice. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.